Hello friends. So in today's session I'm going to show you how to build a custom image with help of Docker command quickly. Okay, so let us start. So let me log into my system. So kubectl get nodes. Okay, so this is my cluster setup, creates cluster setup. So like I will explain you how you will build a custom image. Okay, and coming session I will explain you also like how to use this image in during the pod creation. Okay, so now let me go to the my project directory. Here I have a Docker file. Okay, so let me show you what is inside in this Docker file. So now you can see I'm using this going to build the image with Alpine flavor. Okay, so this is Alpine and I given a latest here. Okay, now if you see here I added the install package, like I installed basic package. Okay, so in Alpine we are using the apk command to the install the package. Okay, so I given the command and that what are the package I need I given below list. If you see here OpenStretch, I put utility net tools base curl we get. So like if you want like in many more like SCP any other HTTPS any other package if you need you can add it here, or if you want to keep the minimum you can keep the minimum package. Okay, so in my case I need these are the packages it should be available inside the pod. Okay, because I have to do some function. Okay, so that's why I added these are the package, so list of the package here. So you have to add the package name like this in this structure. Okay, now second, so you added this package, so this package will be included. But if you want to like automatically restart when you create the pod. Okay, so that if you want to that step then that also you have to include in this image. If you don't want to do here in image, then second option is that during the pod creation we can do it, we can add and we can do it, that I will show you. Okay, so now but I want if these are the packages available here, but now I want to start automatically my SSHD service. Okay, so that's why I added here. If you see here SSHD daemon for that key and then service start. So this in Alpine we have to use we have to start the service in with help of this command like this. Okay, you have to give like this. Okay, I hope you understand. This is a very basic Docker file I can say. Okay, now let me exit from here. Now let me clear the screen. Now, so my Docker file is available. Now what I have to do, I have to build the image. So for that, what command I have to use? I have to use Docker build -t. Here you can give the any name, up to you, like what name you want to give. Okay, so I'm just giving the Alpine -tools and then latest. Okay, now I'm giving dot here current directory. So once I give this one, you can see it's starting my building the image. So now you can see this command is run successfully. I didn't get any issue. Okay, now if I run here Docker images, I'm getting this. See, now my image is available. I can use this command also, Docker image ls. So I already now image is loaded here, it's there. But now suppose you don't want to build again and again. Okay, so in that case what you can do, you save this image and later we can load that image in any system. So I will show you. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to save this image with help of Docker command. So see, I'm using the Docker here. In your case, if you want, you can use the alternative command also like nerdctl. Okay, based on the requirement. Okay, but I'm using in my case in a Docker. So now let me use Docker save -o. Now again here you can give the any name. That's up to you. What name you want to give, which name you want to save. So I will use the same name here. Dot tar, and then you have to give the full this name which you build, correct? So now if you see here, I got this tarball here, so that my image is now saved. So now I cannot again and again I build. What I can do, I can take this tar file in any system and just load that image. So I will show you, but that docker or nerdctl utility should be available on that system. Then you can do it. Okay, so now suppose if I want to at this I image I have, right, docker image ls. What I will do, I will use docker, sorry, docker rim. I will delete this image. Okay, now image is not available, right? What I will do now, I will load this image. Docker load hyphen I and my tarball. So this is my tar, right? So now if you see here again, so it's loaded, you see. So in this way you can do it. So like you can create your custom image and you can save that image. You can use across the any other VMs box and system, and then you can utilize during this image during that like releasing the pod. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you think anything I'm missing, please comment in a comment section here. And if you like, then please share and comment. Thank you.